Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel I post different videos on topics like how to make money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, how to use AI tools, and lots more. In order not to miss any of these interesting topics, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we post a new video you will get notified. Definitely you must have heard about Canva Magic Eraser, an AI powered tool that enables you to remove unwanted objects from images in just 1 second. To get started, come over to Canva. I'll be making use of the app for this tutorial. So just create a space. Next thing you have to do is to import the image you want to use. Go over to upload, click on upload files, select the picture which you want to remove the object from, and it will be uploaded to your Canva. Next thing to do is to bring in this picture to the workspace where we can work on it. As you can see, we have this beautiful picture, but we're going to be using this magic eraser to get rid of some unwanted objects in this picture. So to do this, all you have to do is to click on the picture, come over to where it says effects down here. As you can see, so Canva recently added some new effects, but we're going to be talking about the magic eraser only in this video. As you can see on the screen, this feature is only available to pro users. In case you are not yet a pro user, check out the link in the description. So the next thing to do is to click on the magic eraser, and here it says you should brush over the image. You have to brush over the image you want to remove. You can choose to increase the brush or reduce the brush. So in this place, we want to remove these birds, just these ones. We want to leave just that one, and once you are done, you brush over it. Once you're done, you let it load, and just like that, as you can see on the screen, the birds have been removed and the background still looks good. So that is how the magic eraser works. It's a very nice tool for editing your picture. Also, if I want to remove the remaining bird here, I just have to click on effects and click on the magic eraser. You use your brush to go over the place, and then just like that, in just few seconds, this AI tool will remove it and give you a perfect looking picture. So that is it for this tutorial. I will also be making another video as regards to other new features in Canva, new effects in Canva, how you can make use of them. So if this video was helpful, go ahead and click the like button, and don't forget to share and comment. If you have any question, drop it in the comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.